Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, you will learn the 5 best accounting software for eBay. Okay, so if you sell on eBay, keeping track of sales, fees, shipping costs, taxes, and profits can quickly become overwhelming as your business grows. Spreadsheets often aren't enough. So the right accounting software can, automate bookkeeping, organize your finances, and make tax season much less stressful. All right, so in this video, I'm going to introduce you the 5 best accounting software for eBay. Now, the first one is we have here the QuickBooks. So, one of the most widely used accounting platform for small business. It helps you track the income and the expenses, reconcile with your bank, transactions, create financial reports, monitor the cash flow, and prepare for tax filing. So there are so many eBay sellers connects QuickBooks with e-commerce integration tools that automatically import sales and fee data, reducing the manual entry. So this one is best for growing eBay businesses that want comprehensive accounting and reporting. For the pros, it's easy expense tracking, strong financial reporting, invoicing features, large integration ecosystem, and widely supported by accountants. For the cons, advanced features may take some time to learn, of course, and some integration require third-party application. Now, for our second one is we have the Zero. So this is a cloud-based accounting solution that's especially popular with online businesses. So Zero offers automatic bank reconciliation, inventory support, invoicing, financial reporting, and multi-user collaboration. It also connects with many e-commerce automation platforms, making it easier to sync eBay transactions into your accounting records. And this one is best for small businesses and online sellers who want a modern cloud-based solution. For the pros, clean and user-friendly interface, excellent bank reconciliation, strong reporting tools, and easy collaboration with the accountants. For the cons, some e-commerce integration require additional subscriptions. Okay, now for the third software, we have the Wave. So if you're just starting your eBay business, Wave is worth considering. So it includes more accounting features like income and expense tracking, invoicing, receipt scanning, and financial reports. Now, because it has a free accounting plan, it is a budget-friendly option for new sellers with simpler bookkeeping needs. And it is best for beginners and part-time eBay sellers. And for the pros, it has a free accounting features, easy to use, expense tracking, professional invoices. For the cons, it has a fewer advanced features than larger accounting platforms, limited scalability for larger operations. Okay, so that's the Wave. So you just have to visit the website, and yeah, if it has a free plan, then you just have to tap on the Get Started Now option. Okay, and then you can sign up using your Google account or using your Apple, or you can also use your email right here, and then you just have to create your password. Now the next one is the Zuho. So the Zuho Books is another excellent cloud accounting platform. It offers automated workflows, invoicing, bank reconciliation, inventory tracking, project tracking, and customizable financial reports. Okay, so as you can see, it has payroll right here. All right, so let me just go back in this section. All right, so if you already use other Zuho applications, well, the Zuho Books integrates well within that ecosystem, and it is best for small businesses looking for automation and workflow management. And the pros of using this software, automation features, inventory management, mobile application, custom workflow, good value for money. And for the cons, some advanced features are available only on the higher tier plans. So we can check the pricing here. All right. So if you are going to proceed with the annual billing, as you can see, you can only pay for $60 per month. But if you switch to monthly billing, it will increase to $10. And yeah, you can also get started for free using the Zuho books. Okay, so all you have to do here is you just have to sign up. So just make sure that you are using your company name, your email address, your mobile number. Then you just have to create your password, or you can also sign up using your Google account right here, your LinkedIn account, your Twitter or X, or your Facebook. Okay, now down to our last software, we have the Sage Accounting. So rounding out our list is our Sage Accounting. It helps businesses manage bookkeeping, cash flow, invoicing, bank reconciliation, and financial reporting through a cloud-based platform. It is particularly useful for businesses planning to grow and needing more robust accounting capabilities over time. So this software is best for established eBay sellers looking for scalable accounting software. And for the pros of using this software, it has a very strong accounting features, cash flow monitoring, professional reporting, and cloud access, of course. Now for the cons, interface may less intuitive for complete beginners, of course. So yeah, there are so many successful eBay sellers do not connect their store directly to accounting software alone. Instead, they use an integration tool that import orders, fees, refunds, taxes, and payouts automatically into their accounting platform. And this reduces the manual bookkeeping, minimizes errors, and saves value time, especially as order volume increases. So yeah, for our softwares, we have the QuickBooks. It's good for growing businesses. Xero, it is a cloud accounting. For Wave, it's for beginners. And for Zuho Books, this one is good for automation. And for Sage Accounting, it's growing and established for sellers. So choosing the right accounting software depends on your business size, budget, and your workflow. So yeah, again, whichever option choose, good accounting habits can help you better understand your profits, stay organized, and make informed business decisions as your eBay store grows. So that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve a concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below. Bye.